Hey everyone, Scott Gumbar, owner of The Watch Tech, Proactive IT. Visit our website. See it in my screen behind me there, nwajtech.com. Provide managed services, what we like to call proactive IT. And hence the reason for this video today. This one's a little different. We've been doing a lot of tech tips as of late, common questions that get asked of us or support tickets that get raised. And today, I got an email yesterday forwarded to me from an accountant friend of mine. Cyberattacks via Excel add-ins jumped nearly 600%, written by Jeff Drew. And it looks like his website is aicpa-cima.com. Again, that's Jeff Drew. Cyberattacks via Excel add-ins jumped nearly 600%. And of course, it is tax season in the US, which means that accountants and bookkeepers are probably getting Excel documents in their email. So the document's aim is to help protect people from this malicious attack, cyber attack, via Excel documents. So if you receive an email, well, first of all, your email should block any of these emails that come in. If you're using a reputable email service like Google or Microsoft, it should get blocked. Now, they both do a great job of blocking a lot of these attacks. Phishing attacks. This is a phishing attack. They do a great job of blocking these. They block probably 90%. They don't always get it right though. So occasionally something sneaks in and you're presented an Excel document, what looks like an Excel document. You open it and you've launched malware. What do you do? Well, at that point, it's too late. Hopefully you have zero trust enabled in your network on your systems. And if you do, great, you're protected because you'll get a pop-up saying, allow this, and then you'll submit it, and then somebody has to approve it, and hopefully they know well enough not to approve that. Also, you should know how to mitigate against phishing attacks. So if you do receive a phishing email, what do you do? Well, you could download our free ebook, 11 steps to mitigate the risk of a phishing attack. Just go to bit.ly/bizcardnt. That's bit.ly/bizcardnt and download the free ebook. It is 100% free. Thank me later. And then there are 3 things you can do to mitigate that risk even more. So let's talk about those 3 things. So I have an Excel document here. So first of all, you should know that an Excel document should not have a .xll file format, an extension. And so I understand that is similar to what you might think is Excel. It's, XL makes sense, but it's not. So if I were to try to save a document right now in Excel format, it would save as XLSX. This is the most recent version of Excel, and that is what most people use these days. You might get something in one of these other formats. So CSV is another common one. You might get XML, but probably not. It wouldn't format right. Or XLS, which is the older format. So XLS, XLS are both safe as far as document types are concerned, and CSV, of course. But also, your email gateway should be configured to block .xll attachments. These are actually DLL files. These are dynamic link libraries, and legitimate DLLs are fine. You have DLLs on your Windows computer now. This is called an Excel or an XLL Excel dropper, and it is a threat. And you could be hit with malware. You could be hit with things like Agent Tesla, Bazaar Loader, Bitrat, Drydex. These are all very dangerous malware, and in some cases ransomware groups, with ransomware is malware. Here's the other 2 things you could do. So first of all, if I go to options and Trust Center, and then Trust Center settings, the first thing I want to do is under add-ins, require application add-ins to be signed by trusted publisher. So you would select that. And then disable all application add-ins, which again, it says here, could impair functionality, but probably not. Disable notifications. You want the notifications, but this will also disable the code. Will keep the code disabled. So if you don't want to see the notifications, you could turn that on, but you probably want the notifications. but disable all application add-ins is the other thing you'll want to do. And there are other settings here that you should probably turn on, trusted publishers and trusted locations. Trusted, you get a document. If you open an Excel document in that you received in an email, you'll see that it will disable some of the features, including the ability to edit it, until you enable that. But most people don't pay attention to that message. So you can actually say that you trust it from a network server. If I open it from Dropbox, it will say that because Dropbox is technically the internet. So you may disable it because you're the only one saving Excel documents in Dropbox. But that's not the point of this video. This video is to protect you from this cyber attack threat. And so hopefully you find this useful and you're able to take care of those settings and protect yourself from this attack, because the damage will be very severe if you allow this through. So again, first, you should have zero trust in your network, on your systems, not in your network, on your systems. You should understand how to mitigate the phishing risk, because even though Microsoft, Google, and others do a great job, depending on what you're using for email, some still get through. You're going to need to find a way to block or to educate yourself on how to block it. And then those two configurations within Excel to prevent this from working. That's going to do it for this one. So until next time, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay secure.